What happens when you put four brilliant scientists, a sarcastic girlfriend, an overconfident engineer, and Sheldon Cooper into one room? You get absolutely chaos. Today video is not about just one episode of The Big Bang Theory. It's about why this show became one of the greatest sitcom ever made, from hilarious betrayals and awkward apologies to scientist debates, unforgettable friendship, and Sheldon completely unpredictable logic. These moments perfectly capture what made the series so iconic. Let's dive in. One of the biggest strength of the Big Bang Theory is that every character has a unique personality, but Sheldon Cooper always manages to steal the spotlight. In this scene, we see everything that makes Sheldon unforgettable. He is brilliant, social, clueless, spiritual, honest, incredible, stubborn, and somehow still lovable. Whether he is trying to apologize by giving away his legendary coach spot or accidentally destroying friendship over a toothbrush, every interaction turns into comedy gold. But what makes these moments special is not just the jokes, it's the relationship behind them, friendship and comedy. The first major highlight is Sheldon attempts to apologize to Howard. Instead of saying sorry like a normal person, he offers Howard the most valuable thing in his life, his seat on the touch coach. To anyone else, it's just a cousin. To Sheldon, it's the center of his universe. That moment perfectly represents his character. His emotional logic does not work like everyone else, but in his mind, giving up that seat is the biggest sacrifice imaginable. The funniest part is everyone's reaction. Howard immediately forgives him because even he understands how hug that gesture really is. But then within minutes, the group starts exposing each other's secrets. Howard admits Raj Thanksgiving gifts were fake. Leonard learns his food secretary contained instinct. Raj discovers his phone once took an unexpected trip into a urinal, and somehow everything falls apart because someone borrowed Sheldon toothbrush. It's classic Big Bang Theory. One small confusion leads to complete chaos. Scientist meets comedy. Another reason this show stands out is how naturally it mixes real science with comedy. Most sitcoms use science as background decoration. Here, science actually drives the joke. The gang discusses differential equations, symbolic mathematics, quantum mechanism, teleportation, string theory, Higgs boson, neuroscience, and even interstellar communication. What amazing is that these conversations sound super single, authentic, while remaining funny. Take the scene where Leonard suggests creating an app that can solve head written equation, It's actually a smart business idea, but Sheldon immediately treats Leonard like a cat that somehow learned to use a toilet. It's unnecessary insult and absolutely hilarious. Even when they are talking about zombies, vampire, or time travel, the conversation somehow became scientific debates instead of ordinary small talk. That's something very few sitcoms managing to full of character dynamics. The chemistry between the characters is another major reason these scenes work so well. Howard constantly tries to impress people. Raj contributes random but super single entertaining observation. Leonard acts as the excited voice region, and Sheldon he creates problem nobody else could possibly imagine. One minute he ending friendship because someone touched his toothbrush. The next minute he worried about three progant frogs because tritons are for ruling the seven seas. Even his argument with Amy are unlike anything you will see on television. Instead of arguing about everyday relationships issue, they are debating philosophy, neuroscience, theoretical physics, and logics. Their breakup sound less like a breakup and more like two professors ending of a conference. That's exactly what makes their relationship so entertaining. Seldom genius or disaster. Disaster. So Sheldon is probably one of television's most fascinating character. He is capable of solving impossible scientific problem yet completely misses basic human emotion. He genuinely believes a giving away his coach sport is the perfect apology. He thinks friendship can be suspended using a legal clause in roommate agreement. He worries more about scientific accuracy than people feelings, and despite all of that, his friends never truly abandon him because underneath all the arrogance, Sheldon does care. He just expresses it in ways that only Sheldon Cooper possibly could. That's why audience continued to love him for 12 seasons. These scenes perfectly demonstrated why the Big Bang Theory became such a massive success. The comedy is not based only on jokes; it's built on belief, friendship, unforgettable personalities, intelligent writing, and super single emotional moments. The scientific reference make the show unique. The character chemistry keep every conversation entertaining, and Sheldon Cooper remains one of the greatest sitcom characters ever created because he constantly balances genius with complete social disaster. Whether you are a science enthusiast or someone who simply enjoys smart comedy, these moments remind us why millennials fans continue rewatching The Big Bang Theory year after it ended. If I had a rate these scenes, I easily give them 9 of 10. They are funny, clever, nostalgic, and packed with everything that made this sitcom legendary. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. the video and let's know me in the